Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to stream the FIFA World Cup 2026 on your desktop computer. So, all you're going to need is access to the internet as well as a web browser, which I'm sure you already have if you're watching this video. So, let's open up Google Chrome and I'll show you the first option, being the official FIFA YouTube channel. So FIFA will stream official matches here for free and for all everybody to see as a way to boost their fan engagement. Although not every match will be available on their YouTube channel, this is a great option for those who want to follow along for free. Another option is you can also use the YouTube TV premium service and take advantage of their free trial. So they have a free trial that lasts for 21 days. And I'm sure that you'll be able to watch the entirety of the World Cup using the YouTube TV free trial and just cancel it right after. And you won't have to spend a single dollar or dime. Lastly, the last service that I'm going to recommend is through the FIFA Plus. It's through the official FIFA Plus channel on the DAZN network. So simply go to your browser and type in dazn.com and you should be able to see the FIFA Plus right here on the front page. So here you're going to be able to see the schedule of the upcoming matches. So you're going to be able to keep track of your favorite teams very, very easily. Lastly, if you're in the US, one great option is going to be with tubetv.com. Although right now it's unavailable in my country, but FIFA will be partnering with Tubi to be able to stream all of the matches in the US. So those are a few great options, and all you have to do is choose one that you're most comfortable using. Personally, I would recommend going with the YouTube TV service and then just canceling your subscription right before the billing period starts. That's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.